Are you looking for the best sprinkler timers? In recent years, the demand for efficient sprinkler timers has surged, driven by gardeners and homeowners seeking smart water management. These devices appeal to anyone wanting precise control over irrigation to save water and keep plants healthy. Our guide evaluates top models based on programming flexibility, build quality, zone control, ease of installation.
Product number 1. Melnor 65141 AMZ 4-zone digital water timer. Gray, black. The Melnor 65141 AMZ is a versatile digital water timer designed for up to 4 watering zones, making it ideal for medium to large gardens. Its clear LCD screen and intuitive interface make programming simple, even for beginners. This timer features multiple start times, duration settings, and rain delay to prevent overwatering during wet conditions. The durable plastic casing and secure battery compartment ensure a long-lasting outdoor use. With a reliable connection to standard garden hoses, it offers great flexibility and customization, balancing functionality with affordability. A solid choice for gardeners needing multi-zone control.
Product number 2. Rainpoint water timer for garden hose. Sprinkler timer with brass swivel, rain delay, and manual watering. The Rainpoint water timer stands out with its robust brass swivel connection, providing superior durability compared to typical plastic fittings. Its one-zone design suits smaller gardens or single watering needs, featuring manual and automatic watering modes along with a convenient rain delay function. The timer is simple to install and operate, making it perfect for users wanting straightforward irrigation control without complicated settings. Its weather-resistant body ensures reliable performance throughout the seasons, offering excellent value for those who prioritize toughness and ease of use over multi-zone capabilities.
Product number 3. Rainpoint water timer for garden hose. 2-zone sprinkler timer with rain delay, manual watering, automatic. Ideal for gardens requiring dual zone management, the Rainpoint 2-zone sprinkler timer blends efficiency with ease. It allows independent programming for 2 zones with customizable watering schedules, including rain delay to avoid watering on rainy days. The timer's user-friendly interface simplifies setup, while the sturdy construction ensures outdoor durability. Equipped with both manual and automatic watering options, it caters to a wide range of irrigation needs. The brass fittings improve connection stability and longevity. This timer is a reliable and budget-friendly option for medium-sized gardens demanding flexible watering control.
Product number 4. Quobas 2-zone sprinkler timer with brass inlet and outlet connectors, programmable water timer for garden hose with rain delay. The Quobas 2-zone sprinkler timer impresses with its high-quality brass inlet and outlet connectors, ensuring a leak-free and robust setup. Supporting 2 independent zones, it allows flexible watering schedules tailored to different plant needs. The programmable timer includes rain delay features, manual override, and multiple start times for convenience. Its compact design and weatherproof housing make it perfect for outdoor use, while the clear digital display facilitates easy programming. This model balances durability, accuracy, and user-friendliness, making it a strong contender for gardeners who want reliable performance and precision irrigation control.
Product number 5. Rainpoint sprinkler timer. Programmable water timer for garden hose, outdoor soaker hose timed with rain delay. This Rainpoint sprinkler timer is designed with versatility in mind, compatible with standard garden hoses and outdoor soaker hoses alike. It offers programmable watering schedules and rain delay to conserve water and protect plants during rainy weather. The timer supports one zone, making it best suited for smaller garden spaces or targeted watering areas. Its rugged, weather-resistant construction ensures it stands up well in outdoor conditions. Simple to install and operate, it's a practical solution for users looking for a dependable, no-frills watering timer that enhances garden care without complexity.